How to fix Microsoft Word activation failed. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will just have to open up C drive on your PC or laptop. After that, open up program files, and it might be in the program files or the program files the another folder with x86 or 89 option, and over there find the folder of Microsoft Office. Over there you would be able to find a folder with the name Office 16. Simply open it up. Then you would find a file with the name Ospream, which spells as OSPPREARM. Simply right click on it and open it up as administrator 3 times. You will have to repeat it 3 times, like right click on it, then open it as administrator. Do it 3 times, and after that your Word should be working quite fine. This sounds stupid, but this will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.